Hello, this is your channel Susana Sawan. I'm engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to test the digital multimeter test probe. In this case, this is very easy. Here, I have a digital multimeter, and here I have the test probe. These in my hands are the test probe. Now I'm going to show you how to test this using the digital multimeter. This is very easy. The first step is connect the test probe here, the black in the COM port and the red in the input port. Now choose the mode. Move the selector, change, and choose this mode. This mode, like we are watching, in this mode we have 4 modes inside. In this case, we need to choose the continuity mode. That is this. This is very easy. Press this key and ready. Now we are watching the symbol on the digital multimeter screen. Now our digital multimeter is ready. In this mode, we are going to know if we have continuity or not. For now, if these test probes are good or not, touch this and this, and in this way we must have continuity. This means that we are going to hear a sound from the digital multimeter. This sound must be continuity. If this sound stops, this means the test probes are broken or damaged. Touch this and this, and now do this. This means these test probes are broken, are damaged, because the sound stopped, like we are watching. In this case, these test probes are broken inside. Disconnect, and now repeat the same test with other test probe, like this. Connect here, ready, connect here, and now take the new ones and touch in this way. Now, like we are watching, in this case, these test probes are working correctly because the sound continues all the time. This means inside this cable isn't broken, like we are watching. These test probes are fine, are good in this case. Now turn off the digital multimeter, and in this way you can test the test probe using the same digital multimeter. Do this before test or measure using the digital multimeter. This is your channel, Susana Sawan in English. Subscribe in our channel, give me a like, share this video, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel Susana Sawan in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.